We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, welcome to today's Max tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about transforms in 3ds Max. A transform is an adjustment of an object position, orientation or scale related to the 3D space in which you are working. The first one is move. Use the move button on the edit menu tool to select and move object. To restrict object movement to X, Y or Z axis or to a plane defined by any two axes by clicking on the appropriate button on this axis constraint toolbar. Select and move. X-axis movements, Y-axis, the Z-axis. The second one is rotate. Use the rotate button on the edit menu to select and rotate object. When this button is active, clicking an object to select and dragging the mouse to rotate like this. Z, Y axis rotate, and the Z axis rotate. Last one is scale. Use the scale button on the edit menu to select and scale object. There are three types of scale in 3ds Max. The first one is uniform scale. Uniform scale does not change any object's proportion. Second one is non-uniform scale. Non-uniform scale can change proportions with different value for different axes. Last one is squash. Squash scales two axes in opposite direction, maintaining the object's original volume. Thanks for watching this video.